8:37 a.m. We have our home run, SHOP, that got cremated the other day when we bought put options on Shop and made a lot of money. Today, how to spot the $875 call, how to use our platform, and understand it's going to be $3.50 a line, and we went up one, two, there's three, four, five, six, there's the seventh, there's the eighth, there's the ninth one. That's nine times $3.50, mathematically 100% correct. The diamonds are the algorithms in the exchange model. Over here, what I have available is to put this right up here, and you can see that this is the $875 call chart. By getting the entries down here at $18, and then the high is up here at $29. Now you have to know when to sell the call options. So you get the lowest entry as the market maker with our market making system that we have. Shop continues to stay strong. It's a 96 IR. It is 8:39 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. How the market maker platform and the algorithms are pure mathematics, 100% correct. They do not lie. The math does not lie. Then the strength of it and the resistance of price and knowing when to sell your call options. When you have 120% gain intraday morning on the calls. So when Shop was at the lows here when we bought it, and we knew what the stock would do. We knew what they would do in the stock pit, the market makers in the stock pit. Now, that we are that as well, and the alerts are given via live trading room, not email, no way. And let me just tell you one thing, these are big gains, and the platform did it all. It works for us. Buying at $18 and selling these at $30. That's a $12 move. Using the call chart, knowing when to exit, knowing when to let the winners run is the key, particularly in the kind of market that we're in right now. Shop is the greatest one. When Shop goes down with the market, we make money and we buy puts. When we got big breakouts like today, this morning, and our platform tells us, we get in it right away. There's nothing like it, and the math doesn't lie. Let me tell you. And it's pure mathematics in the stock price, and it's pure mathematics in the option prices. And when you're buying at $18 and you're selling them at $30, you got to know when to sell. And I'm selling them out right now, live as we speak. You have to know when to take a profit. 99% of the people never will know when to take a profit. They look at the high up there, they figure out, well, what am I going to do? Well, what they don't know is that when that IR is at that high, that means that these options are at their high price right now. And if you don't know how to exit, you don't exit. Don't worry, you won't have that problem. We'll be doing all that for you. But nonetheless, it's done with the platform that you're looking at right here. And it is a 96 IR. And we are at the high of $30. That's a $12 move. That is a $5,000 trade right here, just intraday morning with these options in the option pit. And then with the shop chart and the breakout with our platform, pure mathematics, and that tells us what the value is. The value here on the options were extremely cheap. Get into our live trading room. Get the live option alerts and the stock prices. You make a lot more money in options, 100 times more the money than you would ever try to buy stock and hold it. But you have to know when a stock is going to break out so that when you're making a market in the options and you're getting that 130% gain intraday morning, you got to know when to take profits. And it's this platform here that tells us what to do in the option pit, because we're the market makers over here. We buy at the lows and we sell up there. And we do. and they got real cheap. We did the same thing yesterday. Came down here, we popped them, sold them at the high, got out. They came right back down here today. We have the big breakout, intraday breakout morning. Calls are breaking out. I'm going to conclude the shop trade. Shop is up $32 off of the bottom and continuing to go higher. That is making money.